Most people who step into the Forex market think it's all about pressing buy or sell. They imagine flipping $50 into $500 overnight. But here is the truth. Over 90% Forex traders lose money because they are not educated, not disciplined, and not prepared. If you're a beginner watching this, stay with me. In the next few minutes, I'm going to give you the foundation you need. Knowledge that can save you months of frustration and maybe thousands of dollars. By the end of this video, you will see Forex in a way that thrills you and makes you want to keep learning. What Forex really is. Forex simply means foreign exchange. The foreign exchange market is the largest financial market in the world with over $7 trillion traded daily. That's banks, governments, institutions, and yes, retail traders like you and me. What makes Forex trading is that it never sleeps. 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, money is moving. And unlike stocks, you're not betting on a company's success. You are trading one currency against the other. USD versus Euro, GBP versus JPY, gold versus the dollar. And here is the kicker. You can profit whether the market goes up or down. That's the beauty of Forex. Opportunity in both directions. Why most beginners fail? Now here is why most traders crash and burn. Number one, they jump in with no education, chasing signals, copy trades, and gambling. Number two, they overtrade. They overtrade tiny accounts, hoping to become rich overnight. They over-leverage tiny accounts, hoping for overnight riches. Number three, they risk way too much per trade. 20, 30, even 50% of the account. And the biggest one, they let emotions run their show. Greed, fear, revenge trading, it destroys discipline. That's why 90% lose. And if you don't want to be part of that group, you need to think differently. How beginners can start the right way. So what does it take to be in the 10% of traders that make it? Number one, pick 1 or 2 market pairs and master them. Every currency pair has a personality. Gold is fast and explosive. Euro USD is steady and clean. Learn your rhythm. Number two, risk management. Risk management is your lifeline. Never risk more than 1 or 2% of your account per trade. Pros don't survive by winning all the time. They survive by protecting their capital. Number three, have a plan. Know exactly when you are entering, where you are exiting, and when you are staying out. No plan equals to no edge. Number four, think long term. Forget about doubling account overnight. The real power is in compounding. Growing slowly, consistently until you wake up one day with results most people can only dream of. Yes, it's possible. Trading is not about luck. It's about skill, patience, and discipline. So here's the deal. You can either gamble like the 90% and lose, or you can start building the habits, the mindset, and knowledge of the 10% who win. If you want more raw, real education, no hype. Hit that subscribe button because this is where your Forex journey begins. Let's build the skill together.